How to add a cover or banner image on Tumblr. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your blog profile. Next, tap the paintbrush or theme appearance icon at the top of the screen. This will take you to the customization section where you can edit your blog's layout and visuals. Now tap on the pencil icon in the header or banner area to make changes. A menu will appear giving you several options: reposition, choose a photo from your device, stretch header, and show header image. To add a cover image, tap on choose a photo and select an image from your device. Once you have selected the image, you can use the reposition option to adjust or crop it so that it fits nicely within the banner space. Make sure the image looks good in landscape mode and fits your blog's overall theme. After you are happy with how it looks, tap apply to set the image. Finally, tap the save button at the top right corner to confirm and save your changes. Your new banner will now be displayed at the top of your Tumblr's blog, giving it a more personalized and attractive look. If you ever want to change or update your cover image again, just repeat the same steps. Now you know how to add a cover or banner image on Tumblr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.